Humanoid robot boxing debuts in China. On May 25th, a historic event took place in Hangzhou, China, the world's first humanoid robot boxing match. That's right, robots in the ring and not just for show. As part of the Mecha Fighting Series, bots built by Unitree Robotics showcase their combat skills. Think straight punches, spin kicks, and even recovery moves after a fall. Controlled in real time by human operators, these machines demonstrate not just strength, but coordination, agility, and some surprisingly smooth footwork. Unitree G1, standing 1.32 meters and weighing 35 kilograms, was one of the stars, showing off China's advance in AI, motion control, and robotic design. But this wasn't just about putting on a good fight. Industry experts say it was a way to stress test robotics in a fast-paced, high-pressure environment, with real-world benefits for future applications. And with another full-size robot combat event planned in Shenzhen this December, it looks like robot sports might just be the next big arena for innovation. And that's your robot news update for today. If you're curious how robotics can transform your business, join me for my weekly live Robot Optimized workshop. It's packed with insights, trends, and practical tips. Don't forget to subscribe to stay in the loop with the latest updates. I'm RoboPhil from Robot Philosophy. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.